These are the strategies Rivian owners can use to extend their vehicle lifespan beyond 300,000 miles while avoiding major repairs. Everything you will hear comes from verified data collected from real owners, industry research, and manufacturer specifications, not from speculation about what might happen in the future. To understand what makes a Rivian capable of lasting this long, you need to understand the foundation. R.J. Scaringe, who holds a PhD in mechanical engineering from MIT, founded Rivian in June 2009. When the company went public in November 2021, shares opened at $78 per share before climbing to $146.07 in just days. Since October 2021, Rivian has delivered both the R1T pickup truck and R1S SUV, and owners have already documented over 150,000 miles on some vehicles still in daily use. The company's engineering focus on durable construction, combined with advanced electric drivetrain technology, creates the foundation you need for reaching extremely high mileage. Warranty coverage is where your protection starts. Rivian currently provides a comprehensive warranty covering 4 years or 50,000 miles, which handles the majority of issues that arise early in ownership. The real protection comes from the battery and drive system warranty. It extends to 8 years or 120,000 to 150,000 miles, depending on your specific battery size. Drivetrain components carry that same 8-year coverage, and battery capacity is guaranteed to retain a minimum of 70% throughout this period. This means everything you are most worried about paying for is covered during those critical first 100,000 miles. Battery longevity is where the 300,000 mile goal becomes realistic rather than theoretical. Electric vehicle batteries degrade at 1.8 to 2.3% per year under normal conditions, and industry research shows most electric vehicles retain between 80 and 90% of their battery capacity after 8 to 10 years, or over 100,000 miles. Stanford research released in December 2024 revealed an important finding. Real-world stop-and-go driving with rest periods between charges actually extends battery life more than laboratory conditions. Normal daily driving habits, when combined with proper charging practices, can extend your Rivian's battery well beyond the warranty period. Several factors accelerate battery degradation, and knowing them lets you avoid the mistakes that destroy longevity. Hot climates degrade batteries 0.4% faster per year than mild climates, and high-power, direct current fast charging results in 76% state of health after 8 years, compared to 88% with lower power charging. Keeping your battery at 100% charge daily, exposing it to extreme temperatures, and performing rapid charge and discharge cycles all accelerate degradation. The solution is straightforward. Keep your daily charge between 20 and 80%. Prioritize alternating current level 2, charging over direct current fast charging whenever you have the option. Avoid leaving your vehicle in extreme heat and allow your battery to rest between charging cycles. Software updates from Rivian continuously improve battery management systems, so staying current with over-the-air updates directly extends your battery life. The maintenance schedule for a Rivian is dramatically simpler than any gasoline vehicle you have owned. You will never need oil changes, spark plugs, timing belts, transmission fluid, or traditional engine service. The single-speed reducer requires minimal maintenance, and that simplicity alone extends vehicle lifespan significantly. That said, you must follow Rivian's specific intervals precisely. Every 7,500 miles, rotate your tires in a rearward cross pattern and perform a multi-point inspection. This rotation interval is more frequent than gasoline vehicles because Rivian's weight puts additional pressure on tires. Every 22,500 miles, request a comprehensive inspection covering suspension, steering, brake hoses, and the battery cooling system. Every 36 months, have your brake fluid flushed. Every 112,500 miles, change both the battery cooling loop coolant and the power electronics cooling loop coolant, and service the drive unit fluid if you own a quad motor all-wheel drive model. If you live in an area with salted roads, add brake caliper cleaning to your schedule every 12,000 miles. Regenerative braking is one of the most underrated advantages for long-term durability that most owners never fully appreciate. The electric motor performs approximately 70 to 80% of the deceleration work, recovering energy that would otherwise be wasted as heat in a traditional vehicle, and this creates an enormous difference in component lifespan. Brake pads typically last over 100,000 miles compared to 40,000 to 50,000 miles in gasoline vehicles. Rotors and calipers degrade more slowly because they are doing substantially less work. You are essentially getting double the lifespan from brake components simply by driving an electric vehicle. Brake fluid still needs flushing every 36 months as specified, but the actual mechanical wear is substantially reduced. Real Rivian owners have already demonstrated what is actually possible with these vehicles. The first launch edition to reach 100,000 miles is still running strong. One owner in Arizona who works as a government employee has accumulated over 150,000 miles by driving a 230-mile round trip every day. Sean Nixdorf's launch edition reached 98,440 miles in approximately 3 years, and the only major expense was 2 sets of tires. The original equipment manufacturer tires lasted 48,500 miles before needing replacement with a Continental set that lasted significantly longer. His primary maintenance cost beyond tires was routine tire rotations every 7,500 miles. Ben Sullins, a well-known electric vehicle YouTuber, reached 40,000 miles in over 2 years, with only a tire replacement at 30,000 miles that cost $2,000 and no major repairs whatsoever. These real-world examples matter because they show what is actually possible with current Rivian vehicles, but you need the full picture. No Rivian has yet documented reaching 300,000 miles, because the oldest Rivians were delivered in October 2021, making them approximately 4 years old. The highest confirmed mileage is around 150,000 miles, which means the 300,000 mile goal is based on the battery technology promises and component design specifications, not yet proven by field data. That is not a reason to doubt whether it is possible, but it is a reason to understand you are driving a newer technology where the long-term reliability story is still being written by early adopters. Taking control of your vehicle's longevity starts with proactive maintenance. Schedule service appointments well in advance because wait times at Rivian service centers routinely exceed 6 weeks in many areas. Keep detailed records of every service appointment because this directly impacts resale value and warranty coverage. Use only authorized Rivian service centers because the current network, while limited, employs trained technicians with access to proper parts. Document all service visits meticulously and verify warranty coverage on every repair. Stay current with over-the-air software updates because Rivian has addressed numerous issues through software improvements rather than requiring service center visits, and this applies to infotainment systems, suspension tuning, and safety features. Reliability concerns with early Rivian models deserve direct discussion because they are documented and real. Consumer Reports ranked Rivian last in reliability among all vehicles tested in 2022 and 2023, yet simultaneously gave it the highest owner satisfaction rating for 3 consecutive years, with 85% of owners stating they would purchase again. This contradiction tells you something important. Early production issues exist, but owners value the vehicle's capabilities enough to tolerate these problems. Common documented issues include panel gaps, paint quality problems, electrical failures, charging system problems, HVAC malfunctions, and suspension component failures. Some owners reported drive shaft and damper failures before 60,000 miles, with rear damper repairs exceeding $4,500. Warranty matters because these reliability challenges affect your out-of-warranty costs. The 8-year drivetrain and battery warranty covers the most expensive failures during the period you are most likely to encounter them, and Rivian's willingness to address issues under warranty has kept owner satisfaction high despite lower reliability ratings. Once you exceed the warranty mileage or time limits, out-of-warranty repairs become entirely your responsibility. That rear damper failure I mentioned could cost $4,500 or more outside warranty, and limited independent repair options make your choices limited. Service network limitations directly affect the 300,000 mile goal in ways that matter more than component capability. Rivian has limited service center availability compared to established manufacturers. Wait times routinely exceed 6 weeks. Few independent repair shops have been trained to work on Rivian systems, and parts availability sometimes involves delays. Service costs typically run $160 to $220 for basic maintenance, which means planning ahead is not optional, it is essential. Schedule tire rotations, brake fluid flushes, and coolant changes months in advance. Do not wait for warning lights to appear before booking an appointment because service constraints could delay necessary work by months. Battery warranty and replacement costs outside warranty remain unpublished by Rivian, though industry precedent suggests costs between $10,000 and $15,000. However, that is speculative rather than confirmed. The confirmed information is that the battery warranty extends to 8 years or 120,000 to 150,000 miles, depending on your specific model. If you achieve 100,000 miles in 3 to 4 years, as some owners have done, the battery warranty still covers you for additional years beyond that threshold. Component durability beyond the battery is less certain. Electric motors are generally rated for 500,000 to 1 million miles by most manufacturers. but Rivian has not published specific specifications, and real-world field data on Rivian motors at high mileage simply does not exist yet. Suspension components, particularly dampers and half shafts, have shown issues before 100,000 miles on some vehicles, and air suspension compressor failures have been documented. Whether these components will last reliably to 300,000 miles remains unknown, because the vehicles have not been driven that far yet. Here is the honest assessment. Reaching 300,000 miles with a Rivian is technically possible based on battery technology and component design, but it is not guaranteed, because the field data does not exist yet. Vehicles currently at 150,000 miles give reasons for cautious optimism, and the warranty coverage gets you through the highest risk period. Your maintenance discipline determines everything that happens after warranty expires. This means accepting that you are driving a newer technology where the long-term reliability story is still being written by early adopters, including owners who are already at 100,000 or 150,000 miles. Focus your strategy on what you control. Maintain battery health by keeping daily charges between 20% and 80%, and prioritize level 2 charging over DC fast charging. Follow the maintenance schedule exactly, starting with tire rotations at 7,500 miles. Plan service appointments months in advance, because wait times are the real constraint, and stay current with over-the-air software updates. Keep meticulous records, budget for out-of-warranty repairs after 150,000 miles, because suspension and other components may need attention, and accept that technology, this new, comes with uncertainty. The technology supports reaching 300,000 miles, but whether you actually reach it depends on whether you are willing to maintain your vehicle properly, and plan strategically for service availability constraints that exist right now across the Rivian network.